Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the fourth part of the Penelope blanket. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make the part in red and light pink. As we made with the other parts, you can remember that you can start with a base row with double crochet, or you can start with a base row with single crochet. In the sample, I'm going to start with a single crochet row. Place the yarn leaving a long tail. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now you have to continue to the end, making one single crochet, taking the back loops, one single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. Once you are at the last stitch, you have to make a single crochet normally. On the very last stitch, you have to start the row and finish the first and the last stitch, making the same in all the rows. Row number 2, the second row of the base, you have to place the yarn, leaving a long tail, remember, and make one single crochet in the first stitch. And continue making one single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. And remember to make the last stitch making one single crochet normally. Now we have to start with the chart. You have to repeat to complete this part. You have to repeat the part that is in the square, in black. You have to start, in my case, with a row in red, and you have to make one double crochet, two single crochet, and one double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end, but you can also repeat two double crochet, two single crochet, two double crochet, two single crochet to the end. One double crochet, 2 single crochet, and 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. But you can also repeat 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet to the end. Row number 2, you have to repeat 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. But it will be easier for you if you make 2 single crochet and then you have to repeat 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Row number 3, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet to the end. Row number 4, 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Row number 5. You have to start with 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end, but it will be easier for you if you remember to start with 1 single crochet and then repeat 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet to the end. Row number 6. You have to start with 1 double crochet and then 3 single crochet, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet. On the row number 7, you have to make 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet. And on the last row, the row number 8, you have to make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 single crochet. And remember that it will be easier for you if you remember 1 single crochet and then 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet. And you only have to repeat those 8 rows to make the piece with the size that you want. You can find the chart with the right number of rows in the website.